So you've got this leg slightly behind you, this front knee bent. Take the top arm and just bring it up and over, and then have a little rotation forwards. And then bring the arm back down. Okay, so you've got the top leg behind you. So you get a nice stretch here into the hip flexor. The bottom leg's there to help support, and this top arm comes up. And then you get a little roll forwards. And again, come back. So I just roll back slightly and then roll forwards. Gentle squeeze into that top buttock. And again, just breathing in. Going to do 2 more. Let that head relax, let the neck relax. 1 more. And 1 more for luck. Feel that stretch. So I've got that underneath legs just there supporting me. And nice. Okay, bring yourself up